many people are aware, we're going through climate change and water is a very precious resource. So a lot of people are effectively just guessing how to water, and whether or not it's lawn, vegetable gardens, flower beds, and so on. So the plan with Geodrops is by having really smart sensors on there and with a powerful AI-capable computer directly within the sensor itself, it can actually measure, observe, and actually over the time learn and adapt and understand what is the ideal irrigation. Having rapid prototyping capability allow us to iterate through these design changes extremely quickly. Sometimes just seeing a model on a computer versus actually having in hand makes a huge difference. So being able to actually feel what a device is actually like is incredibly useful.